Hello travelers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you from the Starlines Lounge in LAX. So to use the showers here, you actually have to press a button and the service is quite slow. But the showers are very well kept and I'd say that they're really nice. Flown ANA business class several times before, but they have a new soft product this time, and I noticed that you just get so much stuff. You get, in addition to the bedding, which has gotten a bit nicer, an amenity kit, headphones, and slippers in one big pouch. A quick look at this new ANA amenity kit. So it's by a new brand, and it Globetrotter, and it has so much stuff, including a certificate, but it's mainly the same stuff as before, which is still perfectly satisfactory. The amenity kit and the pillow, nothing much has really changed. Unlike my last flight, I think the service on this flight was so much faster, and the menu hasn't really changed a lot since last time, but it's still perfectly excellent. I don't know if it was just like me, but like the catering out of LAX is significantly better than O'Hare for ANA. And my main dish of the meat was perfectly fine this time as well. I didn't have any problems with the rest of the meal. It was perfectly nice and ended with fruits, some chocolates, and a Pierre Hermé cake. For breakfast, guys, I got a lot of comments on my last ANA video asking me if I choose Japanese or Western meal option on ANA. I usually choose the Japanese meal option for breakfast and the Western meal option for dinner if you were curious, and I usually flip it when we're departing Japan. I don't really have a reason for it, but that's just what I do. Dishes from breakfast were collected shortly after I finished, which I really liked the attention to detail that ANA had this time. And I would like to thank the crew now because they really paid attention and looked after me. And we ended the flight with just a small gift of like a post-it note, and it's the small things that matter. So travelers, what did you think of today's video? Make sure to let me know in the comments below. Also, I'm now uploading my videos every Sunday, whether it be a podcast or a review. Make sure to subscribe for more videos in the future. And until next Sunday, keep soaring.